So in order to change the image in a template, all you need to do is select the square that you want to change the image for, and then select or highlight the image itself. And with the options to change the image, you'll find everything on the right hand panel. What you want to go onto is it's under format, so make sure that you're looking at format rather than the other options, and then you want to select image, and then it will give you the option to replace the image with something else, in which case you can kind of select a different image. As an example, we can try this one, and then you can kind of edit the mask. So by editing the mask, it allows you to drag the image or resize it to the size and position that you want it to be. Once you're happy, just click done, and then that's all done. And